Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Elliott Wave Street free weekly video. I'm Juan Maldonado, and don't forget to read our disclaimer on ElliottWaveStreet.com. Welcome to this weekly analysis. As always, it's a pleasure to share with you some of our wave counts. Here we are on the euro. I have a big news this week. We are looking now for a leg down back to the 108.77 to start the year 2020 with a leg down on the euro. We already take profits on our trade up to the 111.80. Remember that trade that we were working on the last weeks? Well, finally it went to the take profit area, and that's it for the trade. Now, we're going to focus on the leg down, and the target is going to be the previous low. However, I think that the price is going down strongly. However, I think that we need to have a retrace before we get into the trade. So that's my plan. I'm looking at the euro very close to see once we have a significant retrace to get into the trade and be part of the leg down. This one was easier when I triggered the move up, was easier to get into the trade. This one is a little bit more tricky. Another favorite for the week is the dollar yen. On the dollar yen, I trigger my trade at the 35 with a very small stop loss, but the trade is active. The price right now is at the 40s, and I trigger at the 35 short. My minimum target is the 108.23. When we check the weekly chart, we can see that we are almost at the end of this market cycle. So this is my first attempt to get into the short trade. The target on the weekly is going to be, first of all, the 104.50, then the 98.99. I hope to see the price there during the 2020. So I'm starting to sell the dollar yen for my long-term trade. Let's see if it's going to work. If it takes me out, it's going to be a tiny stop loss, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to do it again, and I will update the B wave if we have a higher high. But getting ready for all the scenarios. The other favorite is oil. I'm short on the daily chart. Look, I'm looking for a leg down back to the 51, then the 50 area. So I'm thinking that oil is finishing the cycle after several green daily candles. Finally, we have last week a red daily candle. That's very good. It's telling that that's a resistance area. And my short trade, in my personal case on my account, I trigger my trade at the 65. 65 I'm short, and the price there is slowly is going down. Of course, here, once we have the completion of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence, I'm looking for a 3-up. I hope that the 3-up is not going to be too deep, because if it's too deep, it's going to take me out. I'm using a tiny stop loss, so that's a risk. But anyway, I already take some partial profits. I'm looking for a lower low to take another set of partial profits at these lows and leave just a one position out of my 3. So if the wave 2 takes me out, we'll be fine. I will trigger again, but it will be a break-even trade and giving it the chance to run during the move. All right, traders, if you want to receive our daily analysis, visit ElliottWaveStreet.com right now under the membership. Let me open this one too. Under the membership tab, you will see our plans. We have for the Forex trader, for the stock trader, and the full access. So pick your plan, and we are offering this month of trial, $19 trial for the first month, so you can test it out. I'm going to provide the wave counts during the holidays, or just the 25th and the January 1st are the only days that I'm not going to provide the wave count. The other days, I'm going to post the daily wave counts, the videos, and the trade ideas and everything. And if you want to learn how to make the wave counts, I pre-launch my course. You can go here to the ElliottWaveStreet.com education tab, And here you will find the webinar recording where I explain my experience, where I explain my technique. And this price is going up in 8 days. January 1st is going up the price, so make sure to buy your course. And it also comes with 2 months of the full access service for $1 extra. All right, so I'll see you here in the Elliott Wave Street. Have a fantastic trading week. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.